Oh, what you feeling here?
Feeling great. I'm feeling energetic. I don't feel I came out of a plane. I feel fresher before than getting on the plane.
Where are you going from here?
To the hotel, maybe change, shower, and then I'm going for a dinner, home dinner. I hear things are locked down on COVID, so we're keeping it safe here in Tel Aviv.
Are you going to Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem?
Possibly. I have a lot of meetings though. I have a lot of work. So on the 30th, we're opening the Dubai Multi-Commodities Center's office in Ramat Gan, in Israel Diamond Exchange. I'm looking forward to meeting with the management of Strauss, the business of Shlomi Fogel, Landwehr Coffee, and just yesterday, just literally yesterday, I had Rami Levy in our tea center and our coffee center, and I'm trying to fit some time to work with them as well on this business. I'm here till the 6th evening.
Tell me, maybe it's early, what you think about the Israel people? Are you know about them something?
I've been traveling here since 2001. So it's a big relief for me to come here direct from Dubai and not come via any other country and get questioned twice. So I feel more welcome than any other country in the world here, more than the US, and I have to say more than any country in the Middle East. So it's a beautiful feeling for me.
You know, the Israeli people are very, very happy. I talk with him.
Yes.
Because the peace between us and you. What the Emirates people